Jess, what's your birthday?
10/26 next year.
Who are these?
Woo!
Who are they?
The family.
Yeah, good. Can you tell me where you're at right now?
Somewhere, United States of Pluto.
Just take your blood pressure. Just keep your arm all the way down, okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
Real fast.
You did a really good job.
Really?
Did you feel any pain?
No, because I'm awesome.
Are you excited to go to Harry Potter Land, Jessica?
Harry Potter's a weeb.
That's true.
But yeah,
Are you more excited for Harry Potter or Disney?
Disney, because that's my childhood.
Disney's fun.
Woo! You know what else? Ben always has french fries. I am so just because she always has the french fries and I don't want the french fries. Because french fries are delicious! You know what else?
Did you feel pain in your leg?
My leg is my leg. Okay. You take it as a leg.
Okay.
You know what else? It's a leg. Guess what? I don't know. That wall is covered with spots!
Hey Jess,
What?
how was the ocean yesterday?
It was sandy.
What did you think of the baby crabs?
They were gross. You know what else? Woo! Yeah!
Hey Jess,
All I did was plant and plant.
okay,
Potatoes.
you're mad at her?
Yeah, because rolling eyes are like really hard. Have you tried to roll your eyes at someone? It's like you have to go woo, and it's like really difficult. So you're welcome. I rolled my eyes just for you. Stop laughing at me. I shouldn't say things like that. That's offensive. I'm sorry, YouTube. I'm sorry, Internet. I'm sorry for being so awesome. Because I'm the awesomest person here and you're not. I'm sorry. When I was in college. Actually, there wasn't that one time in college. I just went to college and got a degree in something. Yeah, I should know what that thing is. But I don't care! Those tunnels were so weird going down them in my brain. I mean, like, I was going down them and, like, I was going through avenues and they were, like, adjusting things, like that brain surgery you were talking about, except there was a bug in there. It's weird. And it burrowed in and it was like, hey, Jessica, you want something? And they spit in my brain and now I have, like, a weird fungi. We're underappreciated. Like, if we started our own show, it would be better than the Kardashians. I mean, like, all they do is, like, sit and do weirdness, and I'm like, I got this groove on, and you don't. So, make me a show, and you don't. Stop it. Chillax, Kylie. Yeah. I mean, like, look at these kissers. They're bigger than hers. I'm so popular that I'm not. Mom,
What?
you're awesome.
So are you, Jessica. I love you.
I know that. I know you love me, and I know I'm doubly awesome. I've always been awesome. Since I was born, I came out of the womb, and I was like, what's up, people? I'm the awesomest person here. Woo! Don't do that. That's a devil sign. I'm breathing, Mom. Are you happy?
Yeah, much better. No, don't do that too much or you'll hyperventilate.
I already did that years ago. Hyperventilating is the bomb.com. Try it sometime. I mean, I did it, and look at me. I'm just fine.
We're beginning to wonder about
If I
that.
have to go through elementary school again, I don't want to do that. That was the pits. Everybody was dumb, and I was dumb, and I was like, I don't want to be dumb, and so I moved away and then became smart.
I think you're smart.
Thanks, Mom. But you have to say that because you're my mom. Hey. But it's okay. I'll let it slide. I'll let it slide. Like I'm going to slide in a sec. Look, Barbara. What is that? Did I pee my pants? Is this a diaper? What is this? Oh! I just pantsed myself! It doesn't smell like anything. Oh, there's a water droplet. I did have an accident. I'm sorry. I'll take care of it later. Don't worry. This happens every day. No, it doesn't. Secretly, it does. Don't do drugs, guys. It's bad for you. I mean, look at what it did to me. I should be a commercial.
Got the
I'm
hard
normal,
stuff in
right?
it,
Am I
and
normal?
it's all wrapped up.
Cool. I'm glad I can do it normal. Hey, I can't feel that. Why are you touching me? Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Keep your hands to yourself. You are the beautifulest unicorn in the world. Except your horns are curly.
Thank you.
They're the beautiful Robin eyes, right?
Yes.
Hello, Robin. I'm awesome. So are you. You can join the posse.
Okay.
Because we're posse.
Are you thirsty at all? You want to drink the water?
I am so parched. I'm a parchment.
Okay, let me get you some water.
Thanks, man. I mean, woman. I'm calling her man, guys. Here, you want my diaper? She can hold my diaper. Here, Becca, hold it. Hold it.
It's gross.
No, I only went a little. He's holding my diaper. I can't believe you fell for it. He's holding my diaper. No, she's holding my diaper now. I'm embarrassing myself. Stop it. Take the diaper.
It's actually a blood pressure cuff.
Well, it looks like a diaper to me.
Right here.
That's how you drink water.
Wait, show me again. Show me again.
Fine. That's how you drink water. It's
Okay.
normal. Everybody does it.
Is it working to help you get dry or not parched?
Yeah, I am so full of water I have to pee. I mean, Mom, it's normal. Come on.
Okay. Okay, that's fine.
Okay, fine. I'll leave you alone. I'll drink my own water. Your hand has calluses. Why does it have calluses? You don't work ever. I'm the one that does all the work. You're gonna drown me. Thanks for the agua, Rebecca. Do you like being called
want some
Rebecca?
juice?
No. It's so juicy. Oh, you juiced on me! Why would you do that? I'm your best friend in the whole wide world. Except I'm not. That's what she thinks. Why does my leg have so many weights on it? I mean, like, I can bench press 50. Taste it. It's good. You'll love it. You'll love it. Stop it. My body functions. Don't do that. Stop beeping. You're not supposed to beep. My mouth beeps. You stay normal. And you're not broken, so I'm talking to my arm. I'm talking to my arm.
It's a good thing that you don't drink.
Who drinks? That's not the cool thing anymore. You take juice instead. It says 100% apple juice, so it's if it was super duper healthy like the extreme applesauce or juice, it would kill that. You're funny. He breaks me up. right. Ugh! If you were on drugs, you'd understand. Why is the hole on the top? It should be on the side. Doesn't make sense. I was licking on the side and now it's on the top. Oh! My tongue's not functioning. Science is